about time for them to have another feed. And as you can see, they need to be topped up with water. So I think we'll start with giving them some water. Definitely some more water. In store to get this water, so fill. I like to do it just a little bit above the line, just because this size, really. Yeah, look! Oh no! Our home is destroyed. Not yet, it'll settle down and then they'll be all happy. Happy little things. What are they called? Sea monkeys. And now it's time to add this. Alright. Do what you want. These. Oh, did a bit too much. Bad. Ah, too much. There we go. See that? Just a little bit, don't need lots. Watch them be happy, guys. Watch them be happy. Look at them doing somersaults. Oh. Yep, I reckon they're happy. They look like happy little sea monkeys.
Unfair.